Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kalong ka sin ka baning kong baka school St.Anthony'S Higher Secondary School kalashim ni ka sin jam ban plilat iki samla ki badan iki sap Ïalehkai ba kerpang da ka balabha kerpang nega sports quota baki nyo rung kelas hapo ka nega school hadin bakila pass ka examen secondary school leaving certificate mentau snem ka jing plilat ka nega school kalalong shisha ka jing penslor ki samla ki badan ki sap ki phong baki nangla ban penle jingbot hakikam Ïalehkai ba pher kadi ka jing bha kerpang kalong tang ki to ki Khynnah ki baju Mihkhmat ki Jylla haki lempung Ïalehkai shabar neki national level bat ki baju khur takma haki no ki lempung Ïalehkai menta ka sngi ki Khynnah ki ba one tap form ki dei ki ba shim benta haki jing Ïalehkai ba pher ki ba kinthop ya ka cricket basketball table tennis shooting football but karate.
I think we are very thankful to the principal, Father Anthony Kharkumar, who is always for the youth in any activity, and this year we had a meeting during the beginning of the year. So he said, why not we have a sports quota also, where we give preference to different kind of sports person, girls and boys. At least they have some scope where they can see, yes, even through sports they can climb up with the including with the studies also. So that is how it came up, and we opened up for special category for the sports people here in St.Anthony'S.
This is the first time or the second time?
This is the first time actually. Last year we did it, but it was not publicly announced. So we just had in the help desk, if anyone comes in with sports, we give them special preference. Especially the exceptional who have represented the state in different sports events. Like today also, if you see, there are some who came with cricket, some in tennis, shooting, basketball, football. Then we have a few karate and judo also who came here. Obviously, especially for science department, we have to check their mark sheet also. There are certain criteria where we, certain marks has to be obtained even under sports quota also. But ultimately, roundabout we have, I would say, about 30 to 35 seats meant only for sports quota.